Choosing a name for your baby is a big decision that can be both fun and challenging. There are many factors to consider, such as personal significance, cultural background, popularity, meaning, sound, and style. Here are some tips and resources to help you find the perfect name for your baby. 1. Make a list of names that have personal meaning. You can draw inspiration from your family tree, your friends, your hobbies, your favorite books, movies, songs, or places. Think about what each name represents to you and how it reflects your values and personality. 2. Consult a baby book or an online name database. If you need more ideas or want to explore different options, you can browse through thousands of names from various origins, meanings, and styles. You can also use tools like name combiners, name generators, or name matchers to create or discover new names. 3. Choose a name with public appeal. While the name should be meaningful to you and your partner, you may also want to consider how it will be perceived by others. You may want to avoid names that are too trendy, too common, too unusual, too hard to spell or pronounce, or too similar to other names in your family or circle. You may also want to check the popularity of the name in your country or region to avoid potential confusion or duplication. 4. Avoid baby name pitfalls. Some names may sound good on paper but have unintended consequences in real life. For example, you may want to avoid names that could turn into jokes, insults, or acronyms. Names that could cause legal or administrative problems. Names that could clash with your surname or middle name, or names that could limit your child's future choices or opportunities. 5. Wait for meaningful name inspiration during pregnancy. Sometimes, the best way to choose a name is to let it come to you naturally during the special time of pregnancy. You may feel a connection with your baby that inspires you to choose a certain name, or you may encounter a sign or a coincidence that points you to the right direction. You may also want to wait until you see your baby's face and personality before deciding on a name. 6. Reveal your baby's name in a creative way. Once you have chosen a name for your baby, you may want to share it with your family and friends in a memorable way. You can reveal your baby's name gradually by giving clues or hints, or you can surprise them with a riddle, a photo, a video, or a reel that showcases the name. You can also make it fun by asking them to guess the name or giving them personalized gifts with the name on it. I hope these tips and resources will help you find the perfect name for your baby. Good luck and congratulations. Party Popper.